What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, as you guys can see by the title, I have bought my first coilovers. But before, Rex, when I got Rex, he had some coilovers already on, and they are D2 racing coilovers, which I didn't really hear about them until I started looking them up. I mean, these ones on, they're pretty good. It's just for how light my car is, it's a little too stiff for daily driving. But at the track, it was really good. And the stance on this thing, how I have it set up now, I like it. Like, it's not all about, I mean, it's flush. I like it. You see? Just that, you know, when the track comes, you don't want to be too low, or you're going to start hitting in places. Like, I believe on this side over here, I think I still have to roll the fenders a little bit because I think I'm rubbing. But yeah, overall, I like it. So I think I'm gonna do one last drive on these, one little rip, and start putting on the new coilovers. All right, so we're here in Mexico on my private road. Yeah, this is gonna be the last drive before I put on the new coilovers. Alright guys, so that is going to be the last drive on the D2 coilovers. And as you guys can see right here, or probably by the title you already know, I got K-Tune coilovers. And these ones right here are the K1 Streets. So they are 10K front, 8K back. And I got a little excited, so I opened them up when they came in. And dude, they look sick. I like the finish on them too. Like that nice gray K1. Look at that. I'm excited. I'm really excited. So I got K-Tune coilovers, and then Santa got me some steel braided lines from StopTech. And dude, I've been wanting these since I got the car, and I'm gonna put them on today because we need more reliable braking power. So let's get on to it. Alright, so you guys already know how it's done. We got 2 bolts up here, and we got that one long one down there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take those off real quick and get them all out. All right, so now we got the front coilovers off, and we're gonna take off the rears. Then from there, we're gonna go ahead and start taking off the stock brake lines and put on the new ones, refill it with brake fluid, and put the new coilovers on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the 14 auto coils in the back because I forgot I had these, and these are not mine, so I had to take them off. And hopefully it doesn't pew pew pew. Yeah, face it at me, don't worry. It'll just shoot me.
Guess we're not going to work tomorrow.
I told you we didn't put much thing on it.
Ooh. Put that back on. Top hat back on. Actually, wait. We gotta put this on. A little rubber piece. Put this back on. And put the nut back on. So, my dad already got the other one off. So, it's just gonna be the same thing like this. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and drain out all the fluid, go onto the nipples, drain them out, and then go ahead one by one, take them off and replace them. Alright guys, we got the steel braided lines. Ooh, look at that. So now, time for the new coilovers. Let's get it. But before I put on the new coilover, I have to measure them at least close enough, and then I can go ahead and slap them on. Now we got the K-tune suspension in, getting the air compressor filled up so we can bleed the brakes. Shoot, look at that. Let's go. All right, we got everything on now. Front's a little high, I'm gonna lower it, or I'm gonna go test drive real quick and see from there. But yeah, let's go. All right, let's go.
Oh yeah, it feels a lot better. Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, I rug. Dude, it's almost. Oh my god, it's so much softer.
I know, I can feel it.
Alright, yeah, we're gonna have to. Alright, ready? You ready?
Yeah, yeah.
We're gonna have to adjust it.
You're stepping it?
Yeah. Alright, so I did 7 clicks hard in the front, so the suspension was on full soft. The front has 7 clicks and the rear has 5. So we're gonna go on this road real quick and see how it feels. Because I just rubbed when I just went over that. And that was full soft. Ooh, brake a little. Slow, firm. Brake test real quick. Oh yeah, I can feel it softer now. I mean, harder now. Oh yeah, it's a lot softer. Oh my gosh, I'm rubbing.
Oh my.
Dude, I need more camera, or I need to roll it more. Alright, let's bring 50.
Oh. Dude, they feel really good.
You want to do full stiff?
Yeah?
Let's go full stiff.
We're gonna go a couple more clicks.
No. Alright, so we put it on full stiff and it's softer than the other ones for sure. Oh yeah, it's
little chirp.